Hello again. I'm back in Arizona. Amy's right there. Over there. And we're going up a trail today with our friends, Hannah and Taylor, which they're up here. You'll hear a lot from them, I'm sure, in just a few. But this is super cool. This is Holbert. What is it? Holbert Trailhead. At the top, there's some abandoned, old buildings we're gonna check out. And yeah, take the dogs, have some fun.
We are the kids of the summer sun. Don't wake us up until the dream is done. We are the kids of the sun. We are the gangsters of paradise.
Hey, you rock.
Wow. I can't say the jokes are better in Arizona, but the enthusiasm off the charts.
We got the light. Those summer nights, we had it right. We got what you want. We are the kids of the sun. We are the kids.
Okay, so we just got pretty much to the top here. We're gonna send the drone up and just get some shots. All the dogs are sufficiently exhausted. One of them is in a satchel, and we're gonna head our way down now.
We are the kids of the sun.
So I'm gonna try not to die while we walk down this, but I just have to say this was a pretty fun hike. What do you think?
It was pretty fun. I almost died a couple times, but that's to be expected with any hike. So. Sophie made it though. I'm pretty proud of her.
Sophie's crushing it over here. Little mountain goat. We didn't take Quinn. Quinn's more of a house dog.
She's a lounge lizard.
Yeah, she's a couch potato is what she is. But she, she's really a sprinter. She can't do long distance. None of this stuff was too hard for her, but all of it together would have just been too much. She's 55 pounds. I'm not carrying her down the mountain. Especially not with the camera stuff and everything.
We had to put Tucker in the satchel because he stopped walking, and he's only 7 pounds or something, so it's a little easier for him. But
yeah, I would need a wheelbarrow, an off-road wheelbarrow, to put Quinn in and just wheel her down the mountain. But maybe we can try that sometime. Don't die. 4th time not dying. But I have to say, if you're looking at life and you're like, man, I wish I could break away for a while. I wish I could go on a trip, or I wish I could, even if you stay home and do something completely different because you want to, this was a big reason to go on this trip, was just to make stuff. I wanted to go do photo shoots at 6 a.m. in the desert to find these cool spots, and I wanted to go film different things and just kind of get better with a camera and have fun and, I don't know, just enjoy some life. And so we planned our escape. We didn't just go, hey, we're out of here. We planned ways to make money while we're on the road. We found a way to actually do it with the dogs because we got dogs, and we spent time working on it to plan an escape. Just like if you're stuck in prison, right? You plan your escape.
Same thing.
And you get out. And not that our lives were prisons by any means, and we're very fortunate to have the jobs that we had and stuff. And we both really liked them, but we felt like, we don't have any kids. We're still quasi-young. Our bodies can still go on a hike and stuff. Let's use this time now because there are no guarantees in life. So all I can say is if you're sitting here watching this and you're like, man, that looks like some fun, or I got this crazy idea, just do it. Just find a way to do it. Don't just do it, but just find a way to make it happen. So I hope you liked our hike today. I know it wasn't the most exciting thing in the world, but it was really fun to bring you guys along. And that's really what we wanted to do with this channel, was just let you kind of come along with us on our adventure. So like and subscribe. Send us a comment below if you have any questions or anything. Happy to try to answer them. If you have any suggestions, we're going to Albuquerque next. So if there's some spots we should check that out in Albuquerque, let us know, and we'll see you guys next time.
We are the kids of the summer sun. Don't wake us up until the dream is done. We are the kids of the